it's me, TT the T-Rex. So today we're going to be making a Father's Day craft. What you'll be needing is a piece of plastic, toilet paper rolls, scissors, and a hot glue gun. You will also need googly eyes and some pom-poms. First, we'll get your scissors and your toilet paper roll, and then we'll cut a straight line. Next, you'll be writing a message in its mouth. So open it, get something to write, and you can write thank you Dad for making me my bed or anything else, but right now I'm just gonna write thank you. Like this. So after you open its mouth, it may have a little wide mouth, so we're gonna close it and open it a little bit, and it should be around this size. Then we'll be making the teeth with the plastic. So cut some teeth out. You can make any shape you want for the teeth. I'm just gonna cut this part out first, and then I'm gonna start cutting. After you make the teeth, we'll be gluing it onto here. So get the hot glue, put it onto the teeth, and then glue it into the inside like this. Push it and leave it like that, and repeat with other teeth too. So there are small ones, big ones, and all of them has different size, but just do the same actions over and over again for all of the teeth. Next, we will be gluing the eyes. So get 2 googly eyes and put glue onto the back. Spread the glue, push it onto here or wherever you like. It can be a little higher, lower, or you can place it anywhere you like. Then do the same action with the other eye. So next we'll be putting on the hair, which will be the pom-poms. So you can just glue it onto the toilet paper roll first, and then put the little hair on. Like this. And then press it. And then we're done. So onto the cardboard box, you should write a message like Happy Father's Day, or I love you, or thank you, or anything. So I'm gonna write Happy Father's Day. And now for the final step. So we're gonna glue this onto here. So you can put the glue onto the bottom and spread it. And then press it down onto a paper or anything. So then you got your Father's Day craft. So I made some other family members too.